What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to check recently watched reels on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you have logged in into your Instagram account, head over to your profile and go to that hamburger menu and scroll down and you will see your activity option under how you use Instagram section. So head over to it. If you scroll down, you will see an option Reels under content you shared. So go to Reels. So as I haven't made any Reels yet or anything I have shared, so there's currently no history in my one. So this is it. If I had already shared some Reels or had any comments, likes or anything, suppose I have liked all these things, so these are coming in here. So if you want, you can change it from all content types to just Reels and click on apply, and here you can see the recently watched Reels. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.